Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. Today I am here with a new video in which I will explain you about how you can reset your device Realme 9 Pro Plus. So before starting, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's move toward the video. If you want to reset your device to the factory settings, your device Realme 9 Pro Plus, you can do this by the method as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can reset your device Realme 9 Pro Plus. So now let's watch the video.